Hello learners, I hope you all are doing well. So this is last part of ruling the countryside, and in this video we are going to see how the peasants rebel. Yeah. So on March 1856, Bengal riots refused to grow indigo. मना कर दिया आप नहीं ग्रो करेंगे. Riots refused to pay rent to the planters, attacked indigo factory armed with swords and spear, bows and arrows. Those who work for planters were socially boycotted. उनको मना कर दिया कि जो काम करेगा उनसे बात ही नहीं करनी, बोला नहीं है. And go mastas who came to collect rent were beaten up. पकड़ के पीट दिया जो पैसे लेने आता था उनको. Not to show indigo nor be bullied by planters lathiyals. Now lathiyal को ये बोल दिया that we are not going to grow your indigo anymore. Now the reason for rebel was oppressive system, but the system was oppressive from the starting. So now the question was, why they rebel now? Just because the indigo riots felt that they had support of the local zamindar and village headmen. Now, why they are going to help them? Village zamindars urged the riot to resist planters just because they were unhappy with the increasing power of planters. So now what happened? The indigo peasants also imagined that the British government would support them. British government was already worried after the revolution of 1857, and there was a possibility of another popular rebel, and that's why they are thinking that they are supporting them. And what happened? The lieutenant governor get a tour of reason. They came to their reason when they are rebelling. So they think that they are feeling sympathy for us. And then what happened? Wrong interpretation of magistrate was taken. The magistrate wrote that riots would not be compelled to accept indigo contract, and they take that in another way. And so now what happened? They think भाई अब तो सब साथ में है, जमींदार with us, Britishers are with us, and now the magistrate is also supporting us. So अब तो जोरों शोरों से कर ही देना है हमला. And now the army was called for the protection of planters, and the commission was set up to conclude these conflicts. Now what outcome has come from that commission? The commission held that planters were guilty, and they criticized the way they are working and their methods of working. And commission asked the riots to fulfill their existing contract, but also told them that they could refuse to produce indigo in future. And now one more thing happened. The discovery of synthetic dye happens, and indigo cultivation in Bengal collapsed. Now the planters move to Bihar, and now the Mahatma Gandhi will came from South Africa. They will visit a Bihar, Champaran, and they will going to help planters of Bihar to rebel against planters and British government, and they are going to conduct satyagraha over there. These movements will take place, and we are going to discuss those things in a different chapter. Yeah. So we have completed this chapter. Let's conclude all the things one by one. Britishers become divan. They start exploiting. Then they fight. Many people died. Then they systematically exploit people. Then they force them to grow crops, particularly which European industries want. Then there are two systems, Nij and Royatwari. We have seen there are problems in both of the systems, and then how the people, the peasants, rebel. So that's all about the chapter. Thank you.